On a day when a report in Wall Street Journal has revealed that Walmart, the world's largest retailer, paid bribes worth millions of dollars in India to help move goods through customs or secure real estate approvals, the BJP came down heavily on Congress-led erstwhile UPA government. The BJP today said Congress is a corrupt party which has continued to shame India for decades.
INC, for the vast masses in this country, stands for India's naturally corrupt party. The revelations about the bribes paid by retail giant Walmart to various officials to the tune of millions of dollars, I think something that has been revealed by US federal government's probe has hit the headlines in the international newspapers. Coupled with this, the revelations that came in 2012, that 125 crores of rupees were incurred as expenses by Walmart for lobbying entry into India's multi-brand retail market. From Rajiv to Rahul Gandhi era, the Congress party had indulged in a spate of corruption scandals that have affected brand India. So I think the Congress party deserves an apology to the people of this country for having not only knocked down its image while they were in power, but continue to shame India with their corrupt exploits during their several decades of office in the country.
पार्टी और पार्टी के शीर्ष नेता एक नहीं कई बार स्पष्ट कर चुके हैं, न वो पार्टी का मंतव्य है, न पार्टी इस बातों से सहमत है। और आप लोग ही किस प्रकार के फ्रेज यूज करते हैं, फ्रिंज एलिमेंट। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आजम खां के बयान का खंडन किया है सपा ने आज तक? नहीं। आर दे फ्रिंज एलिमेंट? दिग्विजय सिंह के बयान का कोई खंडन किया है कांग्रेस ने आज तक? नहीं। तो हमारी तरफ से तो बयान भी किस स्तर से है और खंडन किस स्तर से है, वहां ना कोई खंडन है बल्कि उसका महिमा मंडन है।
Powered by NNIS.